Hello, Nonna Maria. Today I'm making this little cutie stuffed eggplant. Here I got my beef that I'm gonna turn into Sicilian ragu, some Marzano tomato, my trinity, which is celery, onion, and carrots. Okay, a little tomato paste and a little wine, and I'm gonna get the piece that I put at the end for my Sicilian ragu to stuff my little eggplant. Let's make the ragu. Andiamo! Before we make the ragu, I'm gonna cut my little eggplant like a little well. You cut all this way to take the inside. And then we're gonna start making our Sicilian ragu, Bolognese. After we soften and try to dry the eggplant, see? We start making our Bolognese, Sicilian Bolognese with eggplant. We have 1 clove of garlic that I will take out later. And then my trinity and the eggplant. A little pepper and a little salt. And we cook it. Now after we cook a little bit, we had, after everything is sort of incorporated, we had some red wine, cab, we had the peas, and now some tomato paste. Okay, after the wine evaporate a little bit, a little salt, a little bit more pepper, of course, pepper flakes, peperoncino, and then we added some tomato, some Marzano tomato. I'm gonna make this inside on a simple sauce. This is just the inside of the eggplant, the way I'm gonna stuff it, okay? Let me put some water. Cover and let it simmer. After I put a little salt, a very little, and a little pepper, it's still kind of warm. Well, actually, I wanted to put the cheese first and then some more on top. Okay, that's okay, no problema. And we keep filling. After we filled it, a little bit more cheese on top. Anyway, I'm gonna do it on the pan. And now we make my simple sauce. Okay, the pan is clean. Garlic, a little plum tomato, I should have smashed it with my hand like I usually do, but I didn't. Now, little salt, little pepper, little peperoncino, the basil at the end, and if it's a little tangy or acid, little baking soda, like a pinch, not a teaspoon, not a spoon, a little pinch. No sugar in my sauce. Then we cover And then we wait until it's cooked. Just to show you, you see this is a little pinch. You put it all around here. You see working because of the acid. You add a little water and you cover to cook. Now that it's cooked a little over than 5 minutes, I put the eggplant. Okay, we cover and then we're gonna eat. That's for dinner tonight. Actually, I shut off the flame because I'm gonna finish later tonight, so they stay nice and hot for tonight. Okay, they still gotta cook a little bit more. Ciao!